Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the promotion mix. What is promotion mix? Promotion mix refer to the combinations of the promotion tool used by the business to inform the pursuit of the customer about the product. This is job done by the company through the medium of advertisement, personal selling, sale promotion and publicity. And decision with regarded to all these elements directly influence the sale of the product. And different elements of the promotion mix are described as under. First, advertise. By the way, our advertising seller make the available adequate information, sale increase. The main media used for the advertising are the newspaper, journal, poster, radio, television, cinema, etc. Marketing management should take into the consideration the following factor while selecting the medium of advertisement and nature of the product and the market, the cost of medium and advertising medium of the competing firm, etc. Next, personal selling. By the way of advertising, the seller conveys his version of product but cannot know the reactions of the consumer. It is thus the one-way system of promotion. This is if deficiency made good by the personal selling. In this system, both of the buyer and the seller come into the contact with each other face to face, and the seller try to attract the consumer to his product by narrating his characteristic to the latter. Next, sale promotion. All the measures are then advertising, publicity, personal selling take to increase the sale and included in the sale promotion. For example, giving benefit facilities of the payment in installment, fall in price, consumer contest, exhibitions, fairs, and coupon system, distribution of sample. All the measures of sale promotion are temporary. These are used for the short period. Next, publicity. It is a medium of providing information about the particular product to the customer for which no effect is made by the producer. For instance, if the editor is newspaper or magazine himself publish the information about the product of a company is called a publicity. Producer has not to incur any expenses on it. The editor has done to with the view to adding them to knowledge of his readers. Such information has salutary effects of the customer. Next, what is place mix? Place mix refer to the combination of all the decision relating to the product available to the consumer. If the product is not available on the right time, it is right quantity and the right place, then the customer will not be able to buy it. In the such situation, all the activity marketing will be futile. So make the marketing mix success. A place mix is very important to make the product reach the consumer. The decision regarding the following included the place mix, channel of distribution and the physical distribution. First, what is channel of distribution? Channel of distribution refer to the path through which the product reach the consumer. In this path, many people's firm participate. They are called middleman or intermediary. It include many agent, wholesale, retailer. Channel of distribution can be small or large. For example, we take when we purpose sweet for the local sweet shop, then no middleman between the manufacturer and the consumer. This is smallest distribution channel. This is also called a direct trade. On the other hand, when we purchase a toothpaste of HUL reach to the consumer through the channel of agent, the wholesaler and retail. This is example of the large distribution channel. This is also called a indirect trade. The type of level of channel of distribution, there are the three types. Manufacturer and consumer are the two major components on the market. If intermediate perform the duty of eliminating the distance between the two, there is no substantial land proof that distance between the two is eliminated. Their descriptions of follows. First, direct channel, that is we call zero level channel, and indirect channel. And in the indirect channel there are two part, one level channel and two level channel and three level channel. The first, what is the direct level channel? When the manufacturer instead of selling the goods to intermediate sell it directly to the consumer, that is known as the zero channel or direct channel. Or indirect channel, when the manufacturer get help one or more middlemen to move goods from one production to place of the consumer, this distribution channel is called indirect channel.